In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to exactly show you how I generate 20,000 to 30,000 every freaking day with this hidden online side hustle, which I found out on March 2020. Hey my friends, my name is Sandhuan Das, and for the last 2 years I've trained more than 85,000 plus students online. Today I own more than 3 crores properties, plus I've built a company called Upcult worth 10 crores of rupees. And all of these things happened because I figured out on March 2020 this hidden online side hustle. Now, what is this hidden online side hustle? It's a simple freaking thing, my friend. If you have fingers and you can type messages online, then my friend, people in US, Australia, UK and Canada, they are called high ticket influencers, and they're waiting for people like you to manage their Instagram or Facebook accounts. And basically you just have to type messages online for them, and they're happy to pay you $5,000 to $10,000 per month in commission, my friend. And the best part about here is that you do not need any skill, you do not need extraordinary talent, you do not need to look good, you do not need to speak in English, you just need to simply type messages online. Even a 5-year-old kid can do, my friend. Now, if you want to know more about this, all you need to do is that you to click on the link and join the 8 hours bootcamp this Sunday by me, where I'm going to exactly show you how 85,000 plus people are doing it all across the globe, and how you can make 1 lakh under the next 30 days. Now, if you do not know how to make 1 lakh under the next 30 days, after the 8 hours bootcamp, I am personally going to give you instant access to a 1 lakh worth training. Plus, I'm going to give you back 99 rupees. Plus, my friend, I am going to give you other accesses, because I can guarantee you that after 8 hours, you will have only one thing. I might have found Anuran sooner, because this information is not for 1 lakh. If I follow the process and follow the systems, I can easily generate 10 lakhs online. Click on the link. I will see you on Sunday. Thank you.